I was born and raised in the justice system. I remember when I was 7, my grandmother took my cousins and I to Lazarus, which is now Macy's. She parked the car, left us in there, said, "I'll be right back." It turned into forever. It's hot, it's summertime. I remember being tired and hungry. 2 white guys came up to the car. They were in plain clothes. Then they showed us their guns and their badges and said, "Hey, your grandmother's inside. We need you guys to come with us." We were scared, we were nervous. When we get in there, my grandmother is stripped down to her underwear and handcuffed. And seeing that, I remember all of us crying. And my grandmother looked at me and said, "You'll be different." And that planted the seed in me at 7 that led to me sitting in this chair now. My name is Christian Y. Smith. I'm running for Fulton County District Attorney to transform the justice system into one that values people over conviction rates. The district attorney plays a very significant role in the law enforcement arena. The DA determines what charges go forward. The DA also has the power to dismiss charges. So you should be very concerned with who you elect as your district attorney, because it will have a direct impact on how we hold those people who commit crimes against us accountable. We need to reprioritize our resources to better combat violent and serious crimes. But it's time for us to level the playing field for everybody that the justice system here in Fulton County has turned a blind eye on for so long. We all know that legislation was put in place back in the late 80s and early 90s during the war on drugs era to specifically target Black people and minorities. Marijuana, we all know, is a harmless drug. But there are so many people with marijuana convictions on their record that keeps them from getting jobs and housing now, and it's time for us to correct that. For the last 7 years, I've seen thousands of people come through the courtroom, and I feel like we could have done so much more to help people's lives change for the better versus treating people like numbers. We could have put services in place for people. We could have aligned people with job opportunities, with mental health treatment, with substance abuse treatment. But because of the leadership style, people were just fast-tracked through the system and treated like cattle. In this room, I see a 17-year-old kid, and it's like I'm looking in the mirror. I could tell that he's trying to figure out who he is. Is he a street guy, or is he something more than that? I told him that I would make up some conditions for him to complete, and I would dismiss his case so that he could still have a chance to be whatever it is he wanted to be in life, and to prove to himself that he could change his life. Justin took advantage of the opportunity, and he ended up graduating from college, playing Division I college football. And so at 17, that kid could have had a conviction on his record, but now, he has a college degree. I think it's our responsibility as ministers of justice, as role models, to be more proactive in diverting the school-to-prison pipeline. So we are going to establish a relationship with every public school in Fulton County. We want to go meet them on their level, where they can see us on friendly terms and know we're there to inspire and motivate them, that we don't want to just see them in a courtroom just by engaging with you, because that doesn't happen right now. We've had the same district attorney here in Fulton County since 1996. Same problems, same results. Atlanta influences everything. We stand on the shoulders of giants. We're talking about the Civil Rights Movement, the Voting Rights Act. If we get it right here in Atlanta, we influence the rest of the South. Justice can't wait. It's time to wise up.